Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve JEE Main Shift 2 25th of February 2021 question. It's a memory based question. Question number 7. So limit n tends to infinity 1 by n plus n by n plus 1 plus n by n plus 2 whole square plus dot 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 up to n by 2n minus 1 whole square is equal to 4. Four options are given. This is the question in the house of series. So at first the given limit is if a series is given here between the limit n tend to infinity. So write down this n tend to infinity 1 by n plus n by n plus 1 whole square plus n by n plus 2 whole square plus dot 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 plus n by 2n minus 1 whole square. So now limit that is equal to limit n tend to infinity. Some modification, that is we write down n divide n plus 0 by 0 whole square, that is 1 by n plus n by n plus 1 whole square plus dot 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 n by n plus n minus 1 whole square. So that is equal to limit n tend to infinity summation r equal to 0 to n minus 1 n by n plus r whole square limit n tend to infinity. So this is when we put the some simplification, put the lower limit and upper limit. So here we get r equal to 0 to n minus 1 divide 1 plus r by n whole square and r by n whole square. So this and this is in the bracket. Now 1 by n is here for balance, that is equal to, now putting the limit, so that is equal to 0 to 1 dn divide 1 plus n by 1 plus n square. So now this become limit when we take integration, then it become minus 1 divide 1 plus n between the limit 0 to 1. So this is minus half plus 1, so that is equal to half. So I think we reached, this is our required value. So our option is option 2 is our correct choice. Now here is the whole solution of question 7. Now moving to question 8. The number of all 4-digit number of the form 5n plus 2 where n belongs to capital N, all natural numbers having exactly 1 digit 7. So exactly 1 digit 7 and it is 4-digit number and form is 2n plus 5n plus 2. So exactly 1 digit, that is, I think, let suppose this is divisible by 7 also. So these numbers are 1002, 1007, 1012, 1022, all are exactly this order, 5 and exactly one digit, all are a form of 5n plus 2 order, and up to 9997. So now case 1 arises that, case 1 is that is, this is 4 digit number, the series is formed this, and one number must be 7, so it is fixed exactly 7, case 1 case. Now this is 9, this is 9, and this one starting from 8, so it is 5n plus 2, all as 5n 2 plus 2's form. So now this is 8 into 91, so this becomes 648. So these are the total numbers which formed in case 1. Now case 2 arises that how many numbers? That 4 digit number must be exactly, one number is exactly 7. So this is the second position where 7 is fixed, and it is divisible by 5n plus 2 as in the form. So here is the position, this is 2, and here is 9 and 9. Now numbers are 9 into 9, so that is equal to 81. Now case 3 is that, case 3, so it is also 4 digit obviously, and one number must be exactly 7, having exactly 7 digit. So here is 2, this digit must be 2, and starting is from 8, and here is 9, so it is 8 into 9, that is equal to 72. And case 4 is exactly one number, once again it is 4 digit, and one number must be 7, so this is 2, so here is 2. Now so if this and this is 8 and 9, now I think it is 2, and here is not 7. 7 is, first number is 7. This position we not calculate 7, so here is, it is 7, and it is 8, and it is 9. So here we get 8 into 9, number of numbers are 72. So when we taking sum all of these, we get the exact number. So therefore 648 plus 81 plus 72 plus 72, that is the exact number is 873. So this is the number of all 4 digits which is in the form 5n plus 2, and where exactly one digit are 7. So I think this problem is too much calculative, and if it is taking too much time, so in that case if you are confused, you can skip these kinds of problems. As we know, JEE main problems, it is when we calculate, the calculation not more bigger and time taking. So this is the whole solution of question 8. Now moving to question 9. So question 9 tells us limit x tend to 0, ax minus e to the power 4x minus 1 divide ax into e to the power 4x minus 1 exists and is equal to b. Then find a minus 2b is equal to what? So the limit x tend to 0, ax minus e to the power 4x minus 1 divide ax e to the power 4x minus 1. This is the given question. And the question is in the house of limit, and it's also memory based question and shipped to 25th of February 2021 question. So that is limit x tend to 0, ax minus, expand the series. So here we get 1 plus 4x by factorial 2 plus 4x whole square by factorial, it is factorial 1, sorry, it is factorial 1, it is factorial 2 plus dot 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 up to minus 1. And denominator is 8ax into 1 plus 4x by factorial 1 plus 4x by 4x whole square divide factorial 2 plus up to dot 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 minus 1. So limit x tend to 0, here when it is minus 1 and plus 1 and minus 1 is cancelled off, and denominator also plus 1 and minus 1 is cancelled off. So when we leave the first bracket, then here we get a minus 4 into x minus 16 x square by 2 minus 64 x cube by 6 minus dot 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 up to, and denominator is ax square 4 plus 16 x divide factorial 2 plus dot dot dot, and it is given, that is it is also given that exact is exactly equal to, is exist and is equal to b. So that is equal to b is given here. So here we get a minus 4 is must be 0 as it is exist. So a minus 4 is equal to 0 here. That implies a is equal to 4. Again 8. So if we put a minus 4 is equal to 0, then minus 8 divide 4a, that is equal to b we get. Therefore that implies b equal to minus half. So here we get a is equal to 4 and b equal to minus half. So a minus 2b is equal to 4 minus 1, that is equal to 5. So we reached, this is our required solution, as question asks the value of a minus 2b. So here is the required solution. So this is the solution of question 9. So this is the 3 solution. Any question, any query, you should just comment me in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. That's all.